Hello guys, we will read today a new chapter named Europe. The name Europe is perhaps derived from Europa, the daughter of Phoenix in Greek mythology, or could have been possible derived from Arab, the Phoenician word from sunset. The continent of Europe is only 3 times the size of India. It is smaller than every other continent except Australia, but it has the second largest population of all of the continents after Asia. The population of Europe is about the same as that of the North America and South America combined. Although referred to as a continent, Europe can be considered a peninsula of the landmass of Eurasia. Europe and Asia is mean as Eurasia. Europe is the birthplace of Western civilization. The civilization of North and South America, Australia and New Zealand have developed largely from European civilization. Europe has been a centre of great culture and economical achievements since a long time. The ancient Greek and Romans produced major civilization which made lasting contribution to philosophy, literature, science, fine art and government. The Renaissance, which began in the 14th century, was a period of great achievement for artists and architects. The age of exploration, which began at the beginning of 15th century, led to the discovery of new lands and voyages to distinct places of the earth. Fourth, the Industrial Revolution, which begins in 18th century, led to the development of modern industry. No other continent has left its impact on the other continents of the world, as Europe has done in the past 4 centuries. The countries of Europe range in size from Russia, the largest country in the world, to Vatican City, the smallest country. Europe has some of the world's largest and most famous cities. Moscow ranked as the Europe's largest city. London is the second largest and Berlin is the third largest. London is the center of international finance, while Paris has been the center of fashion, art and learning. Today, Europe countries continue to be a leading industrial and agriculture center. Now we come to the location and boundaries of Europe. First is latitude. Europe lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. It lies between 35 north and 73 degree north latitude. Most of the continent lies in the north temperature zone. Only a small area extends beyond the Arctic Circle into the cold frigid zone. Longitude. Europe extends between 25 degree west and 65 degree east longitudes. The prime meridian 0 degree longitude passes through Greenwich near London in western part of Europe. Now is boundaries. Europe can be considered a peninsula of the large land masses of Eurasia. Thus, it was surrounded by seas on 3 sides. Except the eastern, it was bounded by Arctic Ocean in the north, the Atlantic Ocean on the west, and the Mediterranean Sea in the south. On the east, low Ural Mountains and Ural River separate the continent of Europe from that of Asia. Europe is separated from Asia by a Strait of Gibraltar in the west. Coastline. The coastline of Europe is highly indented, broken, which provides excellent location for harbors. Long arms of the sea extend deep into the continent. No part of Europe, Russia is very far from the sea. In the north are the White Sea and Gulf of Bothnia, the Gulf of Finland and the Baltic Sea and the North Sea. The Bay of Biscay lies on the west. The Adriatic Sea, the Aegean Sea are in the south. The Black Sea and the Caspian Sea are two large saltwater lakes on the east. Now is the Iceland. Europe includes a large number of islands. The most one are British Isles, Iceland, Sardinia, Sicily, and Crete. The English Channel separates the British Isles from the mainland. Others referred to as the continent. Sorry, very sorry. The political divisions of Europe. Although a small continent, Europe is made up of different nations. Scandinavia is the name applied to Norway, Sweden, and Denmark. Norway and Sweden from the Scandinavian peninsula. Denmark was related to Norway and Sweden historically. Culturally and linguistically, sometimes the term Scandinavia is used to include Iceland, which is linguistically related to the others. Finland is not included, which is not linguistically related to the others. Sorry for the spelling mistake. Sorry. Norway, Sweden, Denmark, Finland, and Iceland are also known as the Nordic countries and are united by economic factors. Lapland is a region north of the Arctic Circle, extending across the northern part of Norway, Sweden, Finland, and Kola Peninsula of Russia. The country of the United Kingdom is made up of mainland called Great Britain and Norway Ireland. Great Britain, the British Isles of the made up of 5,000 islands. The biggest of them, the island of Great Britain and Ireland. It is made up of two independent countries of United Kingdom and the Republic of Ireland. There are the island of Ireland has two divisions. The two divisions are, first is the southern part is the country called as the Republic of Ireland, and the second is the northern part called Northern Ireland is a part of United Kingdom. The country of Belgium, Netherlands, Luxembourg are known as the Low Countries since they are made up of lowlands. In fact, a part of it is below sea level. These three countries are also known as Benelux countries. B for Belgium, N for Netherlands, Lux for Luxembourg. Neither means low, and so the Netherlands is appropriately named as the large part of its lie below sea level. Netherlands is also known as Holland. The Iberian Peninsula is made up of countries Spain, Portugal, and Andorra. The countries of Hungary, Romania, Bulgaria, Albania, Bosnia, and Herzegovina, Croatia, Macedonia, and Greece are often referred to as the Balkan State since they lie in the Balkan Mountains. The Vatican City is the smallest city now known as the Holy See. It is under the jurisdiction of the Catholic Church in Rome. In 1990, West Germany and East Germany were unified to become the country of Germany. In 1991, Yugoslavia broke up into Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia, and Herzegovina. You can search these spellings and the pronunciation in Google because I have pronounced something I know wrong. So you can search the countries of Europe and see in Google. Okay, now continue. Simply known as the Bosnia, former Yugoslav Republic of Macedonia, FYRO Macedonia, and its full form is Federal Republic of Yugoslavia, made up of Serbia and Montenegro. In 2006, Serbia and Montenegro declared independence and became separate countries. In 2008, Kosovo separated from Serbia and declared its independence. In 1991, USSR collapsed and broke into 15 independent republics. In Europe, the republics Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Belarus, Ukraine, Moldova, and Russia. The greatest part of Armenia, Georgia, and Azerbaijan are the South Caucasus. The watershed along the Greater Caucasus is generally considered the dividing line between Europe and Southwest Asia. In 1993, the Czech Republic and Slovakia emerged from Czechoslovakia. Next is the countries in alphabetical order and the capital cities of Europe. Means there is a map you can see there, and in the top you can see the country's name, and beside them there are written some capitals. So we will read that. Albania, Tirana, Andorra, Villa. Then Armenia, Yerevan, Austria, Vienna, Azerbaijan, Baku, Belarus, Minsk, Belgium, Brussels, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Sarajevo, Bulgaria, Sofia, Croatia, Zagreb, Cyprus, Nicosia, Czech Republic, Prague, Denmark, Copenhagen, Estonia, Tallinn, Finland, Helsinki, France, Paris, Georgia, Tbilisi, Germany, Berlin, Greece, Athens, Hungary, Budapest, Iceland, Reykjavik, Ireland, Dublin, Italy, Rome, Kazakhstan, Astana, Kosovo, Pristina, Latvia, Riga, Liechtenstein, Vaduz, Lithuania, Vilnius, Luxembourg City, Macedonia, Skopje, Malta, Valtia, Moldova, Chisinau, Monaco, Montenegro, Podgorica, Netherlands, Amsterdam, Norway, Oslo, Poland, Warsaw, Portugal, Lisbon, Romania, Beirut, Russia, Moscow, San Marino is capital name is San Marino, Serbia, Belgrade, Slovenia, Bratislava, Slovenia, Ljubljana, Spain, Madrid, Sweden, Stockholm, Switzerland, Bern, Turkey, Ankara, Ukraine, Kiev, United Kingdom, London, and Holy See is Vatican City. And in the last page, physical features of Europe we will learn. The continent can be divided into three physical divisions of the northern western highland and greater European plains and the central plateau and southern mountains. The northwestern highland includes the mountain and plateau of the Norway and Sweden, They also extend in northern parts of Scotland, Wales, and Ireland. These highlands are among all the oldest mountains of Europe. They are made up of old hard rocks. They lie close to the coast and from a steep slope along the Atlantic coast. Branches of the highlands penetrate deep into a sea, formally highly indented and rugged coastline. Many of these islands are low and slope gently away from the sea. So guys, that is up for today. So we have learned physical features of Europe, political divisions, the name of the countries, locations and boundaries of Europe. In the next video, we will study about the political map. So, if who are watching at now, so thank you to you and all. Subscribe my channel, like this video, and comment. So, if you can't understand my spellings of the countries, you can search on Google that the countries of Europe. You can search. So, bye for now. Okay, bye bye.